Hello, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, uh, January the 27th, 28th, 2024. It's actually today, Monday, and I've told you earlier in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. And I've already solved in the additional the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. Yeah, it's the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 7898. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Yeah, this one has 18 printed digits. Alright, it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if I can manage this. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a one. Only one single box here. Always a one. Then the next question, do we have here dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2? Well, I can't see any dual boxes. I see here a triple box, here also a triple box contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. The 3 is already given, so these 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5, okay? Yeah, another triple box, and the box near the middle box is already filled in, the 5, okay? That means that these, we have a 3 here, so these 2 boxes can be 3, so the only place level 3 should be there. So the 1 and 2 are left. More triple boxes, no quadra boxes. How about quadra boxes? Well, these boxes, this is a quadra box, contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and the 2 goes there. More quadra boxes, no. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Oh, wait. And that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Oh, wait. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. The T shape. More T shapes in this puzzle. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape upside down? The L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Remember that this box of the L shape has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here, another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. It's already filled in the 2. Alright. Here, another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 box left in this area for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. So the 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Right, then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 4 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 3. 4 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so 4 or a 3. Okay. Then, let me see. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. Yeah. Okay, and now these 3 boxes around the 3 can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. L-shaped area should be here. For the 5, we have 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 5. This box is also connected with that box, should be also a 5. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then, yeah. Let me think. 1 and 4, yeah. 1 and 4. Come on. This is taking too long. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is connected with that box, should be a 1 and 4, and is also connected with that box. Should be a 1 or a 4, not a 5. Alright. 1 and a 4, okay. So I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes here. Okay. 1 and a 4. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 here. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area should be here. These 3 boxes around the 3 can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area should be there. Then. I'm thinking. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 3, 4, and a 1. Okay. This box cannot be 3 and the 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So the 3 and the 4 in this L-shaped area should be here. 3 and 4. So 1 digit left should be the 1 then. Yeah. Okay, 1. And I've marked this box with 401. So it can be 1 now. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be also 4. And this one is also connected with that box should be also 4. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 3 is connected with that box should be also 3. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. 1 or a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 1. Then I need a 1 here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be there. And I've eliminated there the 5. So the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for us 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes and there. This box can be 2. This box, yeah. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 1 here. Well. This box can be a 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. Well, we have a double 2 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. If I place 2 here or there, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. We have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 1. 2 and a 1. Alright. And now, this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 4 or a 5. I need a 2 here. Well, overlook something here. 4 and a 5, 2 and a 1. This box can be a 1. Can be 3, can be 5, so 2 or a 4. 2 and 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. 1 and a 2, 4 and a 5. Well, we have a 4 and a 5 here. So this box can be 4 or 5, can be 3. So 2 and the 1 are left. Okay. And here then should be 1 or a 5 left. Well, I'm stuck here. Cannot believe this. I'm stuck here. What's happening? Hmm. 4 and a 5. Overlooked this 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 4. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 there. So this box should be a 4. 2 and a 1. 2 and a 1. This box is 2 or a 4. We have a 4 here. So this box should be a 2. 1 or a 2. We have a 2 there. So this box should be a 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 2 goes there. And the final number in this area should be the number 5. 60 minutes. Well, having troubles here. Otherwise it will be faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. Not faster than 50 minutes. Well. Overlook this 5. Otherwise, we'll be faster. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow on a Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Monday.